Hi everyone! Today I'm working on some extra card buffet cards. There was a few left of this one, so I thought I would finish them off and make a little video on it. It's a super cute little stamp set called Little Elephant. It's adorable, and I'm using it on a baby card, but it would be great for a young kid's birthday. You can put some balloons in the elephant's trunk. It's also great for congratulations. That's a nice one. Celebrate your big day. If someone gets a promotion, elephants are big, it's big news, that would be fun. Or just anytime it's really cute. Lots of people like elephants. They're a nice little good luck charm, and some really cute sentiments here. A little kindness is a big thing. To my friend. Here's a little umbrella, be great for a baby shower. And I love the little flowers. It's just a really adorable stamp set. The little plaid, I don't know if it's plaid, but the little check in the elephant's skin, I guess you'd call it. It's really cute too. It's a nice little addition. So it's just a really sweet set, and the best part is there is a punch that goes with it that punches out both the large elephant and the small elephant, as well as a little extra detail. You can punch out some ear flaps to give it some more dimension. I didn't do that on my card because I wanted to show it, the little lines show up better, and I also thought that, you know, card buffet cards, we try to make a lot at a card buffet, and so I kept it simple. Another thing we used is this really beautiful tufted textured impressions embossing folder. I really love this embossing folder. It looks like quilt, so perfect for a little baby blanket, and it's just adds some softness. I just really love this embossing folder. You should pick that up if you can. And anyway, let's just go ahead and make this card. It's really simple, but I think very adorable. So at Card Buffet, all your pieces are in a little envelope. So I've got everything right here. And I've made it so that the, this is a new color actually, it's called Soft Sea Foam. And I've cut this soft sea foam just slightly large so that you can have enough room to add a little adhesive to attach your patterned paper to. So I'm going to go ahead and run a little line of adhesive there. I'm going to put it on my card just to measure. I like to have like 1/4 of an inch all the way around. There we go. And I'm going to pick it right back up again because I'm going to put some ribbon around it. Okay, so the ribbon that I'm using is gray granite, what are they calling this one? Textured weave ribbon. It's got some fun texture to it and a little white piping on the side. Really cute. And on this card I've made kind of a faux knot. I think it lays a little flatter in an envelope, and so this is actually just wrapped around. So I cut the ribbon. I don't always do that, but sometimes I do. I cut the ribbon like so, and then I go ahead and add some adhesive. And wrap it around. Now that pattern paper that I'm using is from the Twinkle Twinkle Designer Series paper collection. It's a really fun paper collection, I think. It's got some star constellations on one side, which gives it that name, Twinkle Twinkle, and there's a background that looks like a sky, and these really pretty colors, and it's got that soft sea foam, gray granite. I think this might be Petal Pink and Pool Party or Coastal Cabana. Really pretty. And then you can decide to pop this up on dimensionals or leave it flat. I left it flat on my sample card, but I think I am going to pop it up on dimensionals. Why not? I think most people at Card Buffet popped them up. I haven't made a video in almost a month because I'm having some construction done at the house. Nothing fun. It's just like vent systems for a new heater. It's not even fun construction. It's messy, I'll tell you that. Dust, I've got tarps up and dust, and anyway, so I haven't made a video, that's why. But I've been making lots of cards. It's just been noisy, but today it was kind of quiet. I think they're sanding some drywall mud. Anyway, which will be even more dusty. Okay, so there's my base, and then for the little knot, I just cut a little extra ribbon, and I just glued it right down. There we go. All right, now these little circles were cut from the Circle Collection dies, and see this little scallop on the tiniest one? It's so cute. So you've got scallops in many sizes in the Circle Collection, and I've already cut them out because at Card Buffet, it's all about kind of making a lot of cards, and I don't want people to have to stand in line at the Big Shot, so I cut out a whole bunch of circles and a whole bunch of hearts. Now the heart, there's a lot of dies that have the heart in it. I think that one might be from Stitched Labels. I'm not quite sure what die collection that heart is from. There's a lot of little hearts in our die collection, which is great. I love the little hearts. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put, now for some reason I like these little mini dimensionals on either side of the ribbon. The ribbon kind of sticks up a little bit, and with these little tiny dimensionals you can get on either side of that ribbon, one on top, one on bottom, and it lays nice and flat. See? And I'm going to throw some glue there and let that sit while I work on the rest. I'm just going to put that like that. And we're going to stamp our elephants. And when I stamp on something that's going to go in a punch, I like to use strips, because then you can feed the strips through and punch exactly without wasting a lot of paper, getting all these extra elements that you don't need. So that's how I'm going to do it. And we're stamping in gray granite, and we're going to use the big elephant and the little elephant and hello little one. This is a new, newer item, not completely new, but I think in the new catalog. It's a little chamois, and it gets dirty, but it actually releases that ink. It's going to clean this little baby elephant nicely. It's going to give him a little jiggle. And the cool thing is they fit nicely in this stamp case, and you can get these stamp cases in a set of 4, and you can put your chamois in there. It's just great. Close it. It kind of keeps it nice and moist for a week or so. If it starts to dry out, you just rinse it under your faucet, and it'll kind of reactivate the spongy chamoisness of it and get it moist again and wring it out. But it really traps that ink, so when you rinse it in your faucet and you kind of squeeze the water, you don't notice a lot of ink coming out of it. So it's kind of, how does that happen? I don't know. but I use it. It's nice. You just kind of clean your stamp and leave it on your desk, and it's great. So this is a great item to have. Check out the chamois. Okay, that's it for my stamping. Now you can use the circle dies at Card Buffet. I like to have some punches on the table again, so there's not a lot of people having to go wait in line to use the Big Shot. So I used the 1-inch circle punch, and that's good to have too. The Circle Collection dies, like I said, have so many sizes, so you can use this for the scallop and the little circle, but the punches are great too. Now we're just layering. I just love that. Those 2 little elephants. And I'm going to pop this little heart up with a mini dimensional. I love that they added these mini dimensionals. I just really do. Put that in between the 2 And there you go. There's a cute little baby card, and it's really fast to make. I hope you enjoyed it. You can check out these products at my blog, bethspapercuts.com, where I offer frequent buyer rewards programs. So when you buy things, you end up getting points towards free stamps of your choice. And that's it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you come back again. Bye.